Hello and a very warm welcome to the News in Flash column presented to you by Losico. I am Anupam Bhadri here, and now let's proceed into the News in Flash for 5th January 2022. First off, we have Mother of Orphans Sindhutai Sapkal passed away. Sindhutai Sapkal, better known as Anathanchi Mai or Mother of Orphans, passed away following a heart attack at a private hospital in Pune on Tuesday. She was 74. She was known for her work in raising hundreds of orphans, abandoned, and destitute children, as well as towards rehabilitation of women. She had received more than 750 awards for her social work. She was awarded the Padma Shri in 2021 and the Ahilyabai Holkar Award in 2010 from the Maharashtra government. She had adopted more than 1,000 orphan children. Secondly, we have ICMR approves indigenous kit to detect Omicron. The Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, has approved a testing kit for detecting the Omicron variant of SARS-CoV-2. The kit is manufactured by Tata Medical and Diagnostics and is known as OmiSure. The kit will be used to confirm Omicron in patients with its S gene target failure or SGTF strategy. The kit currently in use to detect Omicron in India has been developed by the US-based scientific instrumentation company Thermo Fisher. It too uses the SGTF strategy to detect the variant. The WHO is proposing to set up a SARS-CoV-2 genomics consortium in Southeast Asia this year. The consortium will provide genomic sequencing and surveillance help. Thirdly, we have Monuments Authority gets a new member. Pramod P. Joglekar, a former professor and head of the Department of Ancient India History, Culture and Archaeology at the Deccan College, Pune, was on Tuesday appointed a member of the National Monuments Authority by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet. Professor Joglekar would be a whole-time member of the NMA for a period of 3 years from the date of assuming office, the note said. It also added that the Culture Ministry had been informed about the appointment. Next up, we have Apple is the first firm to touch the $3 trillion in value mark. Apple Inc. on Monday became the first company ever with a $3 trillion stock market value lifted by investor confidence that the iPhone maker will keep introducing best-selling products as it explores new markets such as automated cars and virtual reality. On the first day of trading in 2022, the Silicon Valley company's shares hit an intraday record high of $182.88, putting Apple's market value just above the $3 trillion mark. The stock ended the session up 2.5% at $182.01, with market capitalization of $2.99 trillion. So this was all for the news in Flash today. We hope you liked the session. For getting notified about further sessions, click the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Thank you.